got it.
Come outside, come outside, come outside.
Hmm?
Okay. Pretty sure I got it. Yeah. Pretty sure I got it. Now we're ready. Now I felt it drop in. We got something. Oh, no way. Okay, we got it. We got it. Okay, here goes. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Well, there's no pins on the inside of the door like I thought there was going to be. You're all witnessing this for the first time. Let me get the light on here. I thought there was going to be pins on the inside, which is one of the main reasons we didn't try to break out these pins over here, because I thought there's going to be some of these inside here. But all we've got, CP Rail, Bill Porter envelopes. Oh, something's in here though. There's something in the envelopes. Hold this. Hang on, let me turn off the light. I'm officially a safe cracker. What do we got here? We've got program personnel. Analysis of a job is important. If a job is not safe, stop and don't do it until it is safe. Huh. No money. Transcona Rail Yard. Oh, I was hoping for some money at least. Well, you're witnessing right here how much CP Rail values their employees' opinions. None of these envelopes are open. And I guess these were all like my personal commitment to safety and environment. Well, anyways, we got it open. I'm officially a safe cracker. Rick out.